Exciting new ideas and designs are happening at the Ford Motor Company. With the all-new, redesigned Ford Model A automobiles, Edsel Ford gave himself ulcers convincing his dad that this redesign would invigorate sales, and we think you'll agree. Every employee at our factory is so excited from the new designs that they just can't wipe the smiles from their faces. Starting off our new 1930 lineup is the stylish Victoria Coupe. Next is the Deluxe Roadster. Notice we spelled Deluxe with an E on the end, that makes it fancy. Next is the Deluxe Coupe, Deluxe with an E on the end and cowl lights, extra fancy. The standard coupe is the same as the Deluxe, but no cowl lights and no fancy word with an E on the end. Next is the new Cabriolet. 90 years from now, these are going to be worth a bundle. Next up is the Roadster, our lowest price model. But 90 years from now, it'll be one of the most valuable for some weird collector reason. Next in our lineup is the Sport Coupe. In 90 years, a guy named Paulshinn is going to drive one of these every day and make videos. Next is our two-door sedan. We call it that because it has two doors. Amazing! Next is our Town Sedan. Basically a four-door sedan, but with much less visibility. Next is our four-door sedan. This is the car you want for taking those grandkids out for ice cream. Next up is the Deluxe Sedan. We added the word Deluxe and cowl lights to make it fancy. Next is the Deluxe Phaeton. It has two big fancy words in its name. And last, the Station Wagon. If you like cars made of wood that are a pain in the neck to restore, this is for you. Now, let's see some examples of how the all-new 1930 Ford automobiles can enhance your daily life. Just look at this fun-loving group. So young and full of vigor. Yes, Chad has 4 gals who want to hang out with him. Why? Because he drives a Ford Cabriolet. Don't forget that blanket, Marge. Good girl. The Cabriolet is so sporty. Chad easily picks up new gals whenever he wants. Look out, Lucille. Riding on a fender is considered potentially unsafe 90 years from now. Hope Chad didn't wax that fender. Chad's gals easily exit the Cabriolet because it has bigger doors for 1930. Have fun, kids! Disregard the large, expensive car that's about to drive through the shot. The Ford two-door sedan makes the ideal, affordable family transportation.
Thank you, Mr. Jensen, for the ride in your Ford. That was swell. Bye, see you later.
Hey, doll, why don't you head into your kitchen and make us some dinner?
Oh, of course. How about bacon-wrapped pork chops and fried potatoes?
Yum! The new Ford is so affordable, the Smiths were able to buy their own, even on Mr. Smith's meager ice cream shop wages.
It sure is nice not having to bum rides off of Mr. Jensen anymore now that we have our own Ford automobile.
Sure is, honey. Here, Pumpkin, get in the back so you can't fall out. And you get in the back too, dear, and hold on to Pumpkin because seatbelts haven't been invented yet.
Be sure to look both ways. You're not even looking. You're taking off too fast. Whee!
Let's see how the new 1930 Ford Phaeton does with Earl taking his gals to the popular ice cream parlor. Nice job, Earl. Those are a couple of swell-looking dames.
Remember, Earl, I'm lactose intolerant. I want gluten-free soy mocha macadamia.
I want vanilla.
Oh, on second thought. Oh, you okay? You already got it. Swell.
Here you go, gals. Now make yourselves comfy and hold on to those cones. This car really goes like the wind.
Whee! Looks like the girls didn't hold on to those cones. They're back.
Hey, Mr. Smith, we need 3 new cones, please. Somebody didn't hang on like I told them. James, let me guess. She was playing with her phone on Facebook, right? Here you go, pal. Thanks, Mr. Smith. Okay, you dames, try and hold on this time.
Well, if somebody didn't go over the speed bump so fast.
Let's head to the cemetery now to see what those wild gals, Bonnie Parker and her friend Kate Barker, are up to. Bonnie and Kate appreciate how peppy the 1930 Ford Coupes are for those times when the law is on their tail. The new Ford Coupes are available with a rebel seat or a trunk like Bonnie's Ford here for those times when you need to carry a case of liquor or the occasional urn full of ashes without anyone knowing.
I'll give you $5 to put this in the back of my trunk and not ask any questions.
$5? You've got it, Toots. Good day.
Let's scram. Okay, now all I have to do is park this heap right here and walk away like nothing happened.
Hang on. Did you make sure you didn't leave any fingerprints?
I was wearing my gloves the whole time. Okay, now walk away. Look cool, look cool.
Meanwhile, James is teaching Doris the safest way to ride on a rumble seat. Good job, kids.
Let's go. I don't want to miss out on getting our own tennis court.
How can we miss you, crazy dame? We're the only ones here.
Back in town, Mr. Howard is loading the last of his Amazon Prime delivery packages from the warehouse into his all-new for 1930 Ford Deluxe Town Car Delivery. Looking spiffy there, Mr. Howard. Unloading is just as easy thanks to the Town Car Delivery's sliding door in front of the cargo area and full-size rear door. Notice how easily Mr. Howard slides into the Town Car Delivery from either side, increasing productivity. Why, just look at how all the day's Prime shipping packages easily fit inside the spacious rear compartment. Just 90 years from now, there's only going to be 7 Town Car Deliveries left in the world. Enjoy it while you can, Mr. Howard. Hey, look, it's Bonnie and Kate. Looks like they're going to boost a sharp-looking Ford Victoria.
Hey, look, Kate. The keys are in it. Looks like decent enough wheels. Come on. Let's get out of here.
With its stylish boot and lovely curves, the new Victoria can complement any dame, even one wanted by revenuers. Just look at how stylish Bonnie and Kate look as they casually pull away as not to draw attention. These railroad fans appreciate the openness of the new Ford station wagon. Even though they aren't worth much now, by the time 2021 rolls around, these will be going for outrageous money, regardless of condition. Hey fans, here comes the steam train. Get your smartphones out now so you don't miss it. There's plenty of room for bags in the station wagon, and don't worry about scratching it up. Let the guy who restores it 90 years from now worry about how it got that way. Last but not least is the upcoming for 1931 Ford Slant Window 4-door Sedan.
Hey, you gals. It's good to see you back again. You ready to hit the slot machines and the tables?
Unlike other 4-door sedans, the new slant window is 100% made by Ford with all Ford steel bodies. No more worries about wood rotting or getting wet. 90 years from now, Model A restorers will pay top dollar for these. Make your life fun. Buy a Ford.